Welcome. This is how to clean laptop fan. So, of course, first thing is shut down your laptop completely, unplug the charger, and remove the battery if it's a removable one. Now, flip the laptop and remove the back panel screws, and some models have a dedicated fan cover as well. Now, guys, you could use a handheld air blower or compressed air can and blow in short bursts while holding the fan blades still with a toothpick to prevent spinning. Now, you could also use a small anti-static brush to loosen stubborn dust and avoid pressing hard on the fan blades. Now, guys, you can just simply clean the vents and heat sink by blowing air through the cooling vents and heat sink fins, and this will improve the airflow and cooling. And after that, just simply reassemble everything back on, and your fan should now run quieter and cooler.